beautiful. Now, sometimes you can find some bakeries that they like to put something else, not just the custard. Also, they like to put some strawberries or raspberries in there. You can also put them. This is the classic version. And we are going to finish them with a bit of garnish on the top. We're going to be using some cinnamon. Do you like cinnamon? So if you do, I think this is the opportunity to grab some ground cinnamon, a small sieve. And I mean how easy it is to take them out once you put some butter in. Wow. Okay, so let me take this out. And now we have the tray full of Pasteis de Nata. Last thing then, so a teaspoon of cinnamon. And let's just garnish the top gently. Not that much, it's just a little bit. And they are ready to eat.